What's up guys, it's your girl Tiff back with another video. I am about to crochet my hair. I've done quite a few tutorials on different crochet hairstyles, different methods with crochet, but you guys like them, so I said I'll keep going. So I'm about to crochet my hair. I just got my hair braided. This is the braid pattern my friend just did. It's 8 braids. The 2 right here, because I did want a middle part, but I didn't want it to go all the way back. So she did the middle part, and then she crisscrossed the 2 right there so that it doesn't just go all the way back. You guys can see that she kind of did some zigzaggy whatever stuff. So yeah, that is the braiding pattern. Like I said, 8 braids straight to the back, except for the 2 in the middle that crisscross. The hair that I'm going to be using today is by Trendy Tresses. This is the River Curl. I have 4 packs. So I have 4 packs of the River Curl in the color 1. I believe I got color 1. And this is 20 inches long, I believe. It's like nothing on here. Okay, so yeah, it's 20 inches long, and I actually got it in the color 1B. This came from the UK, I believe. So with shipping, this cost $70. And y'all know I don't typically spend that amount of money for crochet. I typically do like free tress or something to that nature, where it's like $5-6 a pack, at the most $7 a pack. So this was a little bit more expensive. It was $12.31 a pack. And then with the shipping and tax, it came up to $70. $70 and some change. So this is the hair, and it also took a little over a week, about a week and a half for me to get the delivery out. I will say that the hair, this is what made me get the hair. So this is what so far has made it worth the price. Is it's so silky. It feels so good. It's not like the free tress hair where that synthetic hair is just like, yeah, it's, you can tell it's synthetic, you can feel it's synthetic, you know, and this feels really good. This, I don't think this is nowhere near no type of human or even a human blend, but this is definitely nice. So I ordered the 4 packs. I'm hoping that is enough. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm not going to cut this hair because I want the length. So I don't plan on cutting it. Ooh. I don't plan on cutting it at all. And you guys know sometimes, depending on the hairstyle, I'll take the hair and cut it in half. But this, I want that length. Ooh, do I want that length? Well, I want that length. I may wind up cutting a couple inches off, maybe 2 or 3, but this is the hair. So we're gonna get right into the crochet tutorial. I did want to show you guys really quick. I just put 1 strand of hair in, and I'm a little slightly irritated. Okay, and I haven't even gotten started, but anyway, this is the hair. Ugh. This is the hair. If you were to just put in this 1 strand, this is like the thickness of the hair, the volume of the hair. I never just put the whole strand in my hair because I feel like that's going to make the hair too big, too poofy. So I always separate it. So I separated this hair, and as soon as I pull it apart, like, that's just how frizzy and just, oh my goodness, it just got like that when I just pulled it. So I do have some styling foam, some wrap lotion. So I'm just gonna rub that along and kind of retwist the hair just to get the pattern back and not have it so frayed and frizzy. But already that's gonna kind of piss me off if I'm gonna have to do this with every single one, because when I tried to put I'm filming, because as soon as I pulled it apart, this is what happened. So we gonna make it work though. We are going to make it work. All right guys, I wanted to just I'm frustrated right now. I'm so freaking frustrated with this hair. I have almost a full pack in. I have about 7 more strands and I will have a full pack. But This is like all the hair that got tangled with me trying to separate it. I can probably, no, I can't. Well, I can probably salvage some of this, but it's like, this hair is shit. This hair is garbage to me right now. And I'm like, my frustration with this hair is like really, I have to calm myself down because I've seen so many reviews on this hair. Like, I just came across this hair watching, I think it's Jai Marie's tutorial, because I've been looking for different crochet hair, and she made a video about a year ago. So of course when I see one person, I type it in YouTube, see who else has it. Everybody talks about how good this hair is and all that good stuff. Like, I don't even have to come back and do an update or review. I'm just gonna tell y'all how I feel right now. I'm freaking frustrated with this hair because I can crochet my hair in an hour, hour and a half tops. I can get my whole head done. I have been working on my hair for 40 minutes and this is all I got done because how much time it's taking me to separate the hair. Like, to separate it, to run the wrapping lotion through it. Like, it's just, and now my phone ringing. Oh. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm irritated with this hair. I'm very frustrated with this hair. It's cute, it feels good, but just how tangly it gets when you're trying to separate it, it's ridiculous. Like, this is gonna take me literally 2.5 hours, if not longer, to do. And I was really banking on getting this done before going to pick up my son, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I'm going to try to separate one more pack of hair as best I can, and then just get it up in my head. Cause I'm frustrated, y'all. Like, I'm like, my heart is racing. I'm so pissed off with this hair. Like, this is cute, but I'm telling y'all the truth. Like, just trying to get this hair separated is a beast. What's up, guys? It is the next morning. I had to take a break of doing my hair last night. I have the majority of it done. I just need to do this spot right here and I'll be done. I'm hoping this should not take me any longer than about an hour. I've already separated a good 16, 17 strands of hair. I'm going to be extremely honest. I love how lightweight this hair is. I love the feel of this hair, but I will never ever in life buy this hair again. Like, I won't. I just will never buy this hair again. I had to come up with different ways to try to make this hair work for me because it would just tangle so incredibly bad. It would just snag up into like big balls when I would try. Big balls. It would just snag and just get so clustered and clumpy when I would separate the hair, to the point that I actually was like losing so much hair that I was like, I didn't pay this money, this $70 for this hair, you know, shipping and delivery, for me to just have wads of hair. So I went through those wads of hair that like would get tangled when I was separated, and I got it back together. What I had to do, and I'll probably show you guys exactly what I have to do to make this hair work in a moment when I separate the other strands. But just like combing your fingers through it, detangling the tips, and then pulling it apart doesn't work. Pulling it apart really fast doesn't work. It is horrible. It is absolutely horrible. So I don't know if you guys can see how frayed and frizzy the tips of the hair look versus how it looks, you know, just fresh out the pack. It's just really nice and coiled and curled. But when you separate this hair, it gets extremely frizzy and matted. The only reason that I'm not too concerned or upset about that is because I am going to cut the hair. The hair is 20 inches in length. I'm probably going to cut a good 2 inches off of the hair. So hopefully I'll be able to get rid of a lot of that like frizziness and stuff. This is what I had to resort to. I had to go old school and get my jam, and I would take the jam on like the full piece of hair, just a little bit, because you don't want to weigh it down. And I would just run my fingers through it, and then once I would get to the end, I would break it up. And then I would go in with a freaking paddle wig brush and kind of brush out the tips, because that is where it would tangle. It would just get like a big knot when I would try to pull it apart. So I would use a little bit of the jam, and the jam is to like still give it like a nice strong hold, so that when I do separate it, it's not all frizzy. And then the wig brush, or just, you know, to brush out the little pieces so that it kind of can help prevent any type of detangling that might occur when I try to pull the hair apart. Alright guys, so I have finished my hair. I still have to trim it a little bit, because this is a lot of hair. This is a lot of hair, y'all, but I did use the full 4 packs of hair. And it is a lot of hair, but I already know how to kind of like scrunch that down, because the look that I'm going for, because I did a middle part, so that I can wear it as a middle part, or if I want to just flip it over to the side, I can. But I want it to be more like this, you know what I'm saying, like this type of density. So I already know I just need to spray it down with some water, take some more foaming lotion, wrap lotion, and get that in there. And then also, I haven't really cut layers in it. Like, it can't all be the same length. I did like a couple quick cuts because I need to go to work. I did a couple quick cuts just so that it wasn't as big as it was before. But later on tonight when I get home, I'm really gonna just go in and just fix it up, cut some layers all throughout here, down here, clip the ends a little bit. This is the length, and I've cut maybe 3 inches. It was definitely longer than like boobs. The back, I still have to like kind of fix the top up there. But yeah, this, I feel like the Lion King, like, but this is the look, and I like that it's the middle part. And like I said, I have to fix this because I got tired, so there's like spacing in here, and I don't want it, if I'm wearing it in the middle part, I don't want it to just be super flat right there. So I do have to go back in. Like I said, this probably from start to finish will be like a 7-hour job, just because of the amount of stuff that I have to do to it. But it's still gonna be cute. Still gonna be cute. It's just big. It's really big. But this is that. Like I said, once I cut it a little bit and, you know, trim it and kind of diffuse it, it won't be as big. And like that's that for right now. This is the look.